This is a TSA smart lock for your suitcase or anything that you want to keep track and also keep it secured. So this is secured by this 3-digit lock that you can put into pretty much anything that you want to keep secured. It also has an inbuilt tracker. This specific model only works with Apple. It comes with a rechargeable battery. Just behind this plastic rubber cover here is the USB-C charging port. So this brand that I've got is Gecko, but there's a lot of different brands that they're pretty much the same unit. So under here, so that's the USB-C charging port. Now this one and a lot of them that I've found has this thing here that says works with Apple Find My. So that means it will not work with your Android devices. You have to have an iOS device for this to work. So the first thing you have to do is obviously set this combination. At the moment it's the default 00, so the way you do that is you get a pen, and this pin here you just push it to the side like what I've done here, and in my case I'm going to do an example. I'll set it to 1111 and then flick that back, and that should be it. So we'll test it. So that comes out. Now let's put on a different combination. That shouldn't work. So that's working. Now on the other side, this is the switch where you start the pairing with your iOS device or also factory reset. So to pair this to your Apple device, you start this Find My app, this green thing here, and then you press add, you choose other item, and now it's looking for this device. So all you have to do is press this button once. So now it's looking, it detected it, so we'll go connect, and we'll just give it a name. You choose an emoji, I'll leave the default. Agree, and it'll finish setting up. So we'll finish, and that item should show up now, and you can press that and it will make a sound on this. So if you have to reset this device because it failed to pair with your iOS device for some reason, what you do is this power button, you press let go 5 times, but on the 5th time hold it down until it makes a few beeps like this. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold it. So now it's factory reset. What it means is if this was paired to a Apple account, you can't use this until they remove it from their account. So if this was yours and you've factory resetted it, you can still remove it from your Apple account and re-register it.